Hello dear students, welcome to my physics channel Physics R&T. I am Ramesh Narayan Tripathi. Today we are going to solve some multiple choice questions based on surface energy and excess pressure. At first let us review the related formulas and helping tips. First, surface energy, which may be denoted by sigma, is equal to the ratio of work done in changing surface area to the change in the surface area, which is numerically equal to surface tension S or capital T. Second, work done in blowing a soap bubble will be equal to W is equal to T into 2 delta A, because in case of soap bubble there are two free surfaces. Third, for air or soap bubble, excess pressure inside it is given by P is equal to 4S upon R, where S is surface tension and R is the radius of bubble. Next, for a big drop of radius R breaking into n identical smaller drops of radius small r, as total volume is equal, therefore we get capital R is equal to n power 1 by 3 into small r. Therefore, energy absorbed will be equal to S into 4 pi total A2 minus total A1, that is nr square minus r square. Next, energy is released when small drops join to form a big drop. Thus, we see that energy is absorbed during the breaking of a big drop into smaller drops, whereas energy is released during the formation of big drop from smaller drops. Now let us take question number 1. The question is, surface tension of soap bubble is 2 into 10 to minus 2 Newton per meter. Find work done to increase radius of soap bubble from 3.5 centimeter to 7 centimeter. These are the options. Now solution to question 1. Because soap bubble has two free surfaces, therefore work done will be equal to 8 pi R2 square minus R1 square into surface tension T. So it will be equal to 8 pi R2 is 7 centimeter, means 0.07 meter square. R1 is 3.5 centimeter, means 0.035 square, into surface tension is 2 into 10 to minus 2. So we get work done nearly equal to 18.5 into 10 to minus 4 joule. So D is the correct option. Next, question number 2. The question is, the amount of energy required to form a soap bubble of radius 2 cm from soap solution is, these are the options. Solution to question 2. Energy required will be equal to surface tension into change in area. Change in area is 8 pi radius R2 square minus R1 square, 8 pi s into R2 is 0.02 square, and initially radius is 0. So it will be equal to 8 pi into surface tension is given to be 0.03 into 0.02 square minus 0. So, option D is correct one. Next question 3. The question is energy released during the formation of a water drop of surface tension 0.07 Newton per meter from 1000 identical water drops, each of radius 1 millimeter. These are the options. Solution to question 3. We know capital R is equal to n power 1 by 3 into small r. So, it gives 1000 into 1 by 3 into small r, which is 10 r. Therefore, capital R will be equal to 10 into 1 millimeter, that is 10 millimeter. Water drops have only one free surface, therefore energy released will be equal to surface tension into 4 pi final area minus initial area means n into r square minus capital R square. Now putting the values we get S is 0.07 into 4 pi into n is 1000, small r is 1 millimeter means 0.001 meter square minus capital R is 10 millimeter means 0.010 square. On simplification it gives 7.92 into 10 to minus 4 joules. Therefore, the correct option is C.